Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah.
Hey, what's up? All right. Well, that was a pretty intense freaking blow up last night, huh? But anyways, here's the door. Sweet, huh? Now, if you remember what it looked like before, I had stopped dados right here, alright? So what I did, I just took a laminate trimmer, a little Bosch Colt, and I cleaned it out just a little bit. And got it close to where I wanted it to be. And I'm going to bring the camera over in a second to show you the next step. So, you just clean out the corners as best you can without, like, being too perfect. You know what I'm saying? Because, well, like I told you, I don't really like using routers, so I'm always screw up. Okay, so here's the corner. Alrighty? Alrighty? It's kind of sunny this morning. So here it is. Take a bite of my apple. Hang on. Oh, I dropped it. Right? A little sawdust isn't gonna kill nobody. So, this is the rabbit that's gonna house the glass, okay? And the reason why we didn't carry these corners off like this, because it would have been too much material here and it would have been really weak. So we try to strengthen the door by just cutting the corner off a little bit and just having enough for the glass to sit inside there. What I think is going to have to happen afterwards is that we're going to have to just step back and maybe make a rabbet that goes back a little further so we can put screws in the back panel. But I haven't got that far yet. So there's all I do, alright? I just connect the two dots where they were and I take a knife, alright? And I just connect the dots, guys. And then I pair that with a chisel. Chisel, chisel. So it ends up looking like that, okay? Nice and clean. And I can see that there's still a bunch of debris in the corner here. After I do that, after I clean it out with the chisel, I take my router plane. Alright, now I stayed ahead. Well, not ahead. I stayed above the line where it needs to be. Because you see the little bit of material I'm just taking out with the router plane now? I have to clamp it down. But anyways, you get the idea, right? So after you clean it out with a chisel, you come along with your router plane. Now what's important about using your router plane is that you kind of want to go over the whole dado that you made on the table saw. Because, you know, like I always tell you, sometimes you don't put enough pressure on it, or it's not even pressure, and you get a wavy dado. So it's always better to try to go along the entire groove, you know, with the router plane. Just don't take too much material out and make sure you're staying flat. See that? I'm just taking a little bit at a time. My hands are in the way, huh? So, that's it, guys. So I cleaned it out like this. And then after this, I just scraped it down a little bit with a card scraper. And that is it. You probably noticed that the pieces of pine that I had double stuck tape inside there are no longer there. It's because, why? Take a guess. Do 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 la 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 la. Alright, you have enough time to think? Alright, the reason why I took the pine out of there is because, ladies and gentlemen, I need to make a pattern for the glass. Okay? So I'm going to get a piece of cardboard and I'm going to lay it inside this groove. This whole thing right here. Okay? And once I have that piece of cardboard, this one's already done over here. Well, not the cardboard, but the door. told you this place is really, really sunny in the morning. Sucks. Yep, it sucks. Alright, but whatever. Sorry. I get it. The sun's killing me. How's this, any better? I'll just ad-lib it. I'll just wing it, everybody. Winging. Take winging. Alright. That's why I took all that wood out of there. A piece of glass goes inside here, okay? Inside that little rabbit. So I want to make sure I can get the pattern and send it out to the glass company. So hopefully, you know, within a week or two, I hope it's not 6 weeks. I have no idea how long it's going to take this glass to be made and brought out to me. But I'm going to FedEx, well, overnight, whatever, priority mail, a pattern to the glass company. I forget the name of it, otherwise I'd tell you. So that's it, guys. That's how you glue the door together. That's how you put the rabbit in it. And then you have to put the wood inside there, blah, 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 blah. And you can see I stayed away from the line. See that? When I cut it on the bandsaw. Can you see that? Yeah. When I cut that kit on the bandsaw, I stayed away from the line. So after I make the pattern, I need to put all the wood back inside the groove, and then I need to flush cut this thing on the router table. And then from there, I gotta drop them off at school, and Steve can run that profile for me. And the hinges are gonna be coming for the lid today, I hope. So I'll be able to get that lid on, concentrate on the lid, and get the lock on it, and all that bull. And hopefully by the weekend, Steve will get these doors back to me, and we'll have the pattern for the carving, and I'll get to carving these doors and hang them. So hopefully by Thanksgiving or the weekend after Thanksgiving, that will be done, you know, I hope. And then it's just a matter of finishing the bottom here. And I'm really, really close. I figure about another 8 months. I don't know how long, guys. It's taking a long time as it is. Alright. Peace out.